Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I had a few parts come in while I was out on vacation, and we're going to go through them and hopefully have some install videos of these parts that came in and see how the car is sitting after a week of sitting with the coils. And here it is. So far looking good. It's probably settled about 1/4 of an inch. That looks good to me. And my raised caps came in, so I did install those. And I got the Z1 or ZL1 add-on. So we're going to add these on the car today. I'm also going hub centric. Hopefully these fit. A lot of people said on the Supra forums that they would fit, so we're going to try those. And I'm going to do a stud conversion on the hubs. And here is the lug nuts that I'm going to go with. They're like titanium from Motorsports Hardware. I think those will look good with this color blue. So those are the lug nuts. Then I'm gonna do an oil change, and I'm going to go with the liquid moly. From SEP Euro. And I heard that if you save it and return it back and just pay shipping, they'll send you oil back under warranty. So I'm gonna try that as well. And that's it for right now. So I'm gonna end up lifting the car up probably, or try to do it while the wheels are on, and see how it's gonna look from here on out. But yeah, I definitely want it because it's slinging up stuff like right here. There's a little bit of dirt and grime. My car is PPF'd, the whole car is PPF'd, so not too big of a deal, but it's nice to have stuff not slinging all over your car, since the wheels are sticking out fairly a good amount now that I went wider. So hopefully you can see that. And also got this too. I'm gonna try this Dura dressing kit. See how about this tire shine. I hear good stuff about it, so I'm gonna try it, give it a shot, and give you my opinion about that as well. Other than that, that's all I have today. And let's see what about putting the ZL1 add-ons to the car today. Alright, so I turned my wheel in, and I know that we're supposed to pop these rivets out. But we're going to open up the package here, see what it comes with. So I got some installation screws, bolts and washers, instructions. Looks like some fresh pop rivets. We'll get that open here. And some 2 rears, 2 fronts. So it's going to be something like this. That right there. I don't know if you can see it. So we're about to get started. I'll punch all these out. Little rivets, plastic rivets. I put carbon fiber wrap on the back side just to make it look a little bit cleaner. Slide. There you go. Some people put them on the outside. You can stick it right here between the rock guard and the plastic. So between the fender, the rock guard go between that and the liner. Okay, so I jacked the car up, and it gave me enough distance to get my hand back here. So you have 1, 2, 3 screws there in the back side, and just jacking up gives you a good enough space to get back there with a 8mm little wrench. You can get back there pretty good. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I added the piece right here, so it's a screw and a spacer behind it, and I added it on, and now it's kind of, I can move it and do the same thing with the spacer and the supplied screw and a washer. Put it behind it and then screw through it. Simple as that. I'm using a little ratchet screwdriver to get back there. can see it was back there. Alright, so to get to this bottom one, I have this type of screwdriver. Get back there. It was getting tight. It fought me a little bit, but I got it in there.